easy go.
Hey guys, what is going on? Georgia Regen here. So I have a tutorial video for you guys. I haven't done one of these in a while, but there's been a lot of people asking, not me in particular, but just in general, how do you add a new user to Windows 10? How do you get a second account on here? It's very confusing, but it's actually not. Many people just get it twisted and overthink it. It's very, very simple. Back then on Windows 7 it was a lot easier, but here I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it very quickly. So all you're simply going to have to do is go down to the search bar here and type in the word settings. Now from settings, right click on that and you're going to simply go to accounts. It may be in a different spot. Select accounts and then go to family and other people. Now from there, I already made these two dummy accounts. You do not want to add a family member. That's going to connect a bunch of things. You don't want that. Just select other people, and from there, very, very simply, it's going to ask for an email or a phone number. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to avoid email and phone number. Windows 10 wants every account to be associated with an email, its own email or its own phone number. So, what we're going to do is press this little thing here. I don't have this person's sign-in information, so we're going to select that. Just so it doesn't link the account. Obviously you're gonna have to type in the password later, because if you have a password on your computer, your main account is basically the account holding everything. So when you make a second account, you're gonna have to eventually type in the main account's password to do downloads and stuff like that, because you're accessing quote unquote that person's computer. But ignoring that, all you're going to do from this screen is press add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can add a Microsoft account if you like, but this is just the general. It's just basically like a very quick setup. Now create an account from this PC. You can name this account whatever you like. For this, I'm just going to name it test2 just to show that it's a test, and make it secure by adding a password. I'm not going to do that, but you guys obviously can. Now selecting next on there, you can see that we already have the account selected there. And just to show you guys, it's pretty well done, but just to show you guys what happens and how to access it, you're going to click the little Windows tab there, and from there you're going to select this little icon saying your account signed in, and from there you just select the user that you want to sign in. So we're going to select test2 and we're going to be launched to the other Windows screen. Alright guys, I hope that video helped out. Obviously me clicking on the other account and it's switching accounts would not carry over my screen recording, so that did not work there. But that's pretty well everything you need to know. When you get to the other menu, it's just going to ask you to type in your old account's password. Because it is the main account, like I was talking about before, you will need to type it in if you want to make any major changes to your computer. But yeah guys, I hope that helped. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more future videos, and also trigger that bell for post notifications to enjoy my quality content the second it gets uploaded. And like always guys, this is Regen George signing out. Peace.